Hello and welcome back to my channel, and hey, if you're new today, I am coming to you with a little review. We are reviewing the Made by Mitchell curve case in Deep. Is it actually worth it? What's the tea? Why is it always sold out? Find out in this video, and spoiler alert, I mean anyways, enough of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's jump straight into it. Using a foundation and contour brush which I actually got from Primark, I'm going to go in and use this shade right here, which is called Blend and Snatch, and I'm just going to tap the brush into there and make sure you know, get a good amount of product on there. You really don't need a lot. A little goes a very long way, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So guys, brace yourself, get ready, because this is going to be insane. Right, here we go. So I just go in and pop it around. You see what I mean? Even that is a lot of product. So with the excess, I'm just gonna go in on the other side and just tap it onto there. Like, guys, it is actually insane. I've just applied a little bit of the Blend and Snatch down at my jawline, but just because of this video, I'm going to go in with the dark shade right here, which is called a Rituation. I'm so sorry if I've just butchered that name, but I'm just going to show you exactly how dark it is. So tap it on there. You can see on my brush like a significant difference between, you know, the shade that I've just used and that shade. And guys, look at this. Like, oh my gosh, I just freaking love this. This jawline is about to be snatched. And also, I do just want to say, I do apologize if the lighting does keep changing. I am using natural lighting to try and give you guys the most natural look to this makeup look. Going in with a more fluffier fluffy, what? Oh my, guys, you know what I mean. This this kind of brush. I'm just gonna go in and blend out all the contour. Oh, guys, that was literally seamless. Like, no, stop it right now. As I'm sat here blending out this contour, I'm just thinking to myself that us as black people, which I presume if you are watching this video you are on the darker spectrum of shades, it is so important for us to give our coin to brands that actually cater for us. And you know, it's so unfortunate that we don't have the privilege of going to a drugstore outlet and just kind of not worrying about, oh, will they have my shade, or will they do this, will they do that. Like, it is such a shame that even in 2024 it is so hard for brands to cater for us. And recently I've been watching I'm gonna put up her channel on screen, but I've been watching her video. She does makeup content, really good makeup content, and she tried out Shein, which I'm actually thinking of doing. So if you want that video as well, do let me know. She tried out Shein Glam, and if Shein can do it, which they could to some extent, if they can do it, there is no excuse for like bigger brands that have been around for decades to not be able to do it as well. Like, at this stage, I just think, like, if brands are not catering to us, they just don't want to cater to us. And like, we've got to get to a point, unfortunately, where we're like, okay, that's cool, you don't want to cater for us, we're not going to give you our coin. Simple as. And you give your coin to brands, small brands that do cater for us, because those brands are out there. And obviously, like, with that, it does mean that, like, you know, products are slightly more expensive, or, you know, less in demand, so they're always out of stock. But if that is what is gonna have to happen, like, it's gonna have to happen. Just going to very lightly, guys, like, literally like, you can see by the way that I've just moved the brush how light I have just done that. And look at that pigment. Nose contour is the one thing that I actually struggle with so much. Like, I just don't know how to get it like snatched, you know. I do like my nose how it is naturally. To blend that out, I'm going to be using these two brushes here and just kind of alternate between them. I do really love the formula that is in the case. Just, oh, drops the brush. Just because it does blend really nicely. And as you guys saw a little bit earlier, like, I literally left the contour on my face for like a good 5 minutes as I was talking to you, and it didn't dry up. Like, I could still blend it and the blend was like seamless. Because it's so creamy, it means that you can have a really natural look with this, or also you can really intensify the look by layering more on top of each other. I can understand why this particular product is sold out all the time. Also, speaking of sold out, I bought this after it was sold out for about 3 weeks. Okay, maybe not 3 weeks, but a long time. I bought it at full price, which is £30 over on TikTok Shop. However, literally about the 3rd week after I got it, so I've had it for 2 weeks, so the week after I received it, it's been on sale, and like, this is now about a week and a half afterwards, and it's still on sale. In fact, it's even cheaper. It's like £21 right now. Having actually used the product, I'm not too mad that I actually bought it for full price. However, next time it is reduced, I will be buying a backup just to have, you know, just in case he decides to discontinue it, which I very much doubt that he ever will. As for the contour, I'm really happy about how it looks on my face. The nose did kind of mess up a little bit, but it's okay, it's a work in progress. We'll get there one day. So now I'm going to go in with the blushes. I am yet to use Cowlick, which is this one right here. So I think for the sake of this video, we can do a first impression on Cowlick together, and I do think I'm going to layer it with maybe a few more shades just to try and create a gradient kind of blush look. So the brush I'm going to use is this one right here. Again, I am not a makeup artist. I am just a girl. I am just a girl that loves makeup, so I just use what I think is going to work for me, but I don't know the ins and outs of makeup, so I do apologize if I am using the wrong brush. Please don't come for me, but it is what it is. This is going to be so interesting. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put some here as well, just because I do like a little bit of forehead blush, and maybe some here. Oh my gosh, maybe on my nose as well. This is how you get carried away. Oh my gosh, right, okay. Oh, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. That is insane, guys. Look at that color. Like, even from afar, like, insane. Fucking insane. I'm gonna go in with a different color. I'm going to go in with a different color. Should we do Mango Daiquiri? I've seen so many girls over on TikTok using Mango Daiquiri, and it looks gorgeous on them, so I think that's where we're gonna head to next. Mango Daiquiri on the brush, and we are just going to, oh gosh, yes. Mango Daiquiri is coming off a little bit more subtle than the other colours. However, it's the glow. It is the cream glow that is getting me. I feel like it would be really nice on holiday, kind of giving you that holiday glow, like maybe like a makeup, no makeup kind of day, and you just do your skin tint and you put that on and it looks like you're literally glowing from within. I am so, do you know what? I'm doing it. We are doing it. Next up, I'm going to apply, there is the SPF, which is this shade right here. This is literally doing the speaking for me. I do not need to speak. You guys can see for yourself exactly how good these products are. Like, look at that. I do think I will apply a little bit more concealer on this side because I think it has been lost a little bit. However, it is so important to blend into your concealer, especially higher points of your face, just to avoid that very obvious kind of like concealer and blush line, which I do feel like I kind of have on this side. Face is now set, and I'm now going to do lips. You can do a full face with this curve case, which is literally brilliant, and I think the shade I'm going to go for is Cherry Cola, which is this one right here. I did mention in my previous makeup video that lips is not a thing that I tend to focus on a lot, to be honest. This is what my lips are looking like. They feel super, super creamy, and to be honest, I don't need to actually apply any lip gloss, but I'm just going to go ahead and do so because me and lip gloss, we go together real bad, and this is actually my favorite lip gloss ever. And there we have it, my loves, the full look complete. Super natural, super glowy despite 3 layers of blush, but you really cannot tell. I do think that I just look really glowy and really radiant. It is so important that we continue to advocate for diversity in all areas, not just in the shades but through representation on all platforms. As consumers, we have the power to drive that change by supporting brands like Made by Mitchell or other small owned businesses, specifically small owned black businesses. We can drive that change and send the message to the rest of the beauty community. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I definitely enjoyed making it for you. If you were thinking about getting the curve case, thinking should I not, there is a reason. It is always sold out, and you know, you guys have just seen it for yourselves, so I will have it linked down in the description. Alternatively, you can go over onto my TikTok, which is TellBelleX7, and purchase it through there, through my TikTok shop. But yes, that is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please drop a like and a subscribe button. It really does mean a lot to me, and until next time, bye.